Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add your Instagram account to your TikTok account. Linking your Instagram account to your TikTok account is one way you can get to increase your Instagram account. You get to increase the followers that you have on Instagram, the likes and engagement. The overall traffic that you have on your Instagram account can be increased by linking your Instagram account to your TikTok account. Let's say for instance, you have thousands of followers on TikTok. Those your followers that you have on TikTok can get to follow you on Instagram when you get to link your Instagram account to your TikTok. So guys, there is more advantage to linking your Instagram account to your TikTok account. So make sure you watch to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. The first step that you need to take is to launch your TikTok app. Tap on your TikTok app to open it. So guys, when you open up your TikTok app, this is what your TikTok interface will be looking like. You can continue scrolling upwards to see every other videos. So guys, the first step that you need to take is to tap on your TikTok profile. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. So guys, let me show you what it means to add your Instagram account or link your Instagram account to your TikTok account. If you have a good look at this TikTok profile now, you'll be able to find the Instagram logo or the Instagram icon. Look there, it's just next to the add friend icon. You can see it there. That is what I mean by adding or linking your Instagram account. So guys, with that Instagram logo here, once someone comes to my TikTok profile and tap on the Instagram logo, they'll be directed to my Instagram account. So guys, this is what I want to show you, how you can actually put this Instagram logo or this Instagram icon on your TikTok profile. So guys, let me show you how to do it. So guys, if you look closely again, you will see that you can't find the Instagram logo again because I've removed it just for the purpose of this tutorial. I want to show you guys how you can add it. So the first step that you have to take is to tap on your edit profile. You can see it there. You tap on it. So guys, you have two sections here, the about you section and the social section. What you have to look closely on is the social section. So guys, what you have to do now is just to tap on the add Instagram. Let me tap on it. So guys, it's directing us to Instagram. So guys, over here we are required to input our Instagram login details. So guys, all you have to do is to input your Instagram login details. Let me go ahead to add mine. So guys, I'm done adding my own Instagram login details. So what I have to do next is to tap on login. Let me tap on it. So guys, this is where they brought us to. Let's get to read what is written here. You previously connected TikTok to your Instagram account. Would you like to continue sharing information about Phonomobile? So guys, like I said earlier on, I had to disconnect and unlink my Instagram account from my TikTok account for the purpose of this video, because I want to show you guys how to do it. That was why I had to disconnect my Instagram account from my TikTok account. So guys, if you're connecting for the first time, if you want to link your Instagram account to your TikTok account for the first time, you won't get this notification. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on allow. Wow guys, as you can see now, we now have our Instagram account on our profile. You can see it there for the mobile 24 hours. So guys, now let's go over to our TikTok profile to see if the Instagram link and Instagram logo is there already. Wow guys, you can see now we now have the Instagram logo there. So once anyone comes to your TikTok profile and they tap on the Instagram logo, they will be directed to your Instagram account. So guys, let's get to check it out. Let me tap on the Instagram logo. So guys, as you can see now, it's directing us now to our Instagram account. This is so marvelous. Wow guys, this is our Instagram account. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe if you got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye, peace.